Are you looking for the best motor electric scooter for adults? In this video we will look at some of the best motor electric scooter for adults on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, free shipping 48V15R 1500W 11-inch. Adventure-ready endurance, 20-hour battery. The 20-hour battery offers an impressive 2840 miles range. Maximize freedom with this high-capacity option, tailored for riders who demand endurance and versatility. High-output motor. Unleash raw power with the BE Scooter's 1500-watt Speak brushless motor, engineered to hit 31 miles per hour and conquer 30 degrees inclines effortlessly. Built for adrenaline seekers, it transitions seamlessly from city streets to rugged trails. Number 2, new design 1200W Motor E Offroad, 48 volts 18-hour big battery, 65 kilometers long range, 1000 watts dual motor and off-road tire, suitable for all different road conditions. 150 kilograms big loading, fast speed 45 kilometers per hour with rear and front shock absorber, give you more comfortable traveling. Factory with strict quality control system, reliable quality and lowest complaints. Number 3, 2025 Customizable Lightweight, 15-hour 48 volts 1500 watts. Powerful 1500 watts brushless motors. This adult electric scooter can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour and can easily climb a 30 degrees slope. Whether it's daily commuting or off-road challenges, this fast electric scooter is suitable. Number 4, lithium battery pack 36 volts 10500 mAh. Vertical bar high capacity 10500 mAh battery equipped with a robust 10500 mAh battery, ensuring extended rides for your Xiaomi electric scooter. Intelligent BMS system features a smart BMS to safeguard against overheating, short circuits, and low voltage shutdowns. Efficient 36 volts power output delivers a steady 36 volts power output, ideal for the M365 electric scooter's optimal performance. Number 5, China warehouse factory direct delivery. Great value high performance electric scooter. Adult electric scooter, your ideal companion for commuting, grocery shopping, off-road adventures and short trips. Equipped with a powerful 48 volts/18 hours battery and an amazing 31-mile range, this scooter is a cost-effective choice for your daily trips.